Hello, my name is Zach Gibson, and today I will be giving a quick screencast on my PSA regarding JUULing and vaping. Obviously, I decided to make my main focus JUULing because it is very prevalent in my community, the Greek community here at U of I. The biggest focus of my PSA was to keep it simple, so it was very focused and not just a jumble of information. I kept it to 4 lines of information, each with 4 or less words. This simplicity is what I would be most willing to read in a PSA that I saw out on the street or something. I made sure that the colors and fonts of this PSA were dark because this shows the fear I want to instill in the audience. The entire focus of the PSA is to spread the word that dangers are very present when JUULing. So I wanted the colors and fonts to show this. The large menacing image of a JUUL in the background is meant to ensure that the audience cannot miss the point of the PSA. JUULing is a major issue. It needs to be lessened and/or stopped. I put the phrases on alternating sides of the PSA in order to make it seem more balanced. This balance makes it look more appealing to the eye and something that is much easier to keep track of and read as an audience. Finally, the ultimate goal of any PSA is obviously to spread a message and/or call the audience to action. I try to do this by listing a couple of goals for the audience to accomplish. Overall, I tried to keep my PSA short, sweet, and simple, and I think I accomplished that goal. I hope it accomplishes the message of proving that JUULing is dangerous. Thank you.